Welcome to Techmirror, the best spark plug in 2025, a complete guide to help you choose the perfect option for stronger ignition performance, improved fuel efficiency, and long-term engine reliability. Whether you drive daily or demand high performance from your vehicle, this breakdown will reveal the most advanced spark plug technologies available this year. Stay tuned and check the links in the description. Number 5. The A Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs offer a well-engineered solution for drivers seeking reliable ignition performance, long-term durability, and broad compatibility across many Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models. Designed with a center electrode tip made of iridium and a platinum core, these spark plugs deliver a precise and consistent spark that improves fuel combustion and enhances overall engine smoothness. This advanced material combination ensures excellent resistance to wear, allowing the plugs to maintain strong performance over extended mileage. With a thread size of M14 by 1.25 mm, a 5/8" hex size, and a reach of 25 mm, these spark plugs are built to match factory specifications accurately. The gap size of 0.052 inches and a resistance of 5,000 ohms support dependable ignition under various driving conditions. A Premium carefully engineers each plug to provide secure fitment, which helps prevent misfires, rough idling, and hard starts. Compatibility is one of the strongest advantages of this pack. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including Ford Escape models from 2009 to 2025, multiple generations of Ford Fusion, the Ford C-Max, Ford Maverick, Transit Connect, and several Lincoln and Mercury models. This makes the pack of 4 an excellent replacement choice for owners maintaining multi-vehicle households or for those seeking a direct and reliable fit. Drivers appreciate the smooth operation after installation, noting perfect fitment and improved engine response. With a recommended replacement interval of 80,000 to 100,000 miles, these spark plugs provide dependable value and long-lasting engine efficiency. Number 4. The Hsingach Iridium and Platinum spark plugs deliver a dependable and high-performing solution for drivers who want smoother ignition, stronger fuel efficiency, and long-lasting engine support across a wide range of Honda, Toyota, Subaru, and Mazda vehicles. Built with an iridium center electrode and a platinum ground electrode tip, each spark plug is engineered for precise combustion, reduced wear, and stable performance through demanding driving conditions. This combination of materials offers impressive durability, allowing the plugs to last between 60,000 and 80,000 miles. With a thread size of 17.2 mm, a 5/8" hex, and a reach of 19 mm, these plugs are designed to match factory specifications accurately. The gap size of 0.027 to 0.031 inches and a resistance of 5,000 ohms help ensure consistent ignition and minimal risk of misfires. Their insulator height of 50 mm and heat range of 6 contribute to balanced thermal control, making them suitable for both daily commuting and long-distance driving. Compatibility is a major advantage, covering popular models such as Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, HR-V, and Fit, along with Toyota Corolla, Matrix, Prius, and Yaris. Subaru Forester, Outback, Impreza, Crosstrek, and Legacy owners also benefit from reliable fitment, as do drivers of Mazda 3, Mazda 6, CX-3, CX-30, CX-5, and CX-50 models. Users report immediate improvements, including smoother starts, stronger throttle response, and quieter engine operation. This pack of 4 offers dependable value, easy installation, and a noticeable upgrade in overall engine refinement. Number 3. The OEM Champion Spark Plugs for Kohler Command. KOHV engines provide a reliable, well-constructed option for maintaining strong ignition performance in lawnmowers and other outdoor power equipment. This pack of 2 spark plugs is designed specifically for models using part number 25132-23S and 25132-23S, ensuring accurate fitment and dependable compatibility. Champion, a respected name in ignition components, uses a solid copper core and a copper top material to deliver consistent conductivity and stable spark timing. With a thread size of 9/16 inch, each plug matches Kohler specifications, allowing for secure installation and proper seating within the cylinder head. The copper construction supports efficient heat transfer, helping the engine maintain smoother operation during both light yard work and extended mowing sessions. These spark plugs are engineered to reduce misfires, improve combustion efficiency, and support easier engine starts, especially in older equipment that requires reliable ignition components. Users appreciate the durability and steady performance these Champion spark plugs provide, noting that they often last longer than competing brands. The pack includes 2 plugs as shown, and Champion advises customers to verify their model number to ensure correct fitment. Because these plugs may replace multiple older part numbers, they offer flexibility for owners maintaining different Kohler-powered machines. Overall, this OEM pack of champion spark plugs delivers dependable quality, a precise fit, and consistent ignition performance, making it a trustworthy choice for lawnmower maintenance and long-term engine reliability. Number 2. The Autolite APP 5325 Double Platinum Spark Plugs offer a dependable, performance-oriented upgrade for drivers seeking smoother acceleration, consistent ignition, and long-term durability. This 4-pack is engineered with a full copper core electrode that supports excellent conductivity, allowing the plugs to perform well in a wide range of driving conditions. The necked-down center electrode design helps the spark fire quicker and cleaner, requiring less voltage for easier starts and more responsive throttle action. A key advantage of these plugs is their platinum-to-platinum firing configuration. With platinum applied to both the center and side electrodes, the plugs maintain a stable spark and resist wear over time. The ground electrode is enhanced with yttrium, improving heat transfer and helping the engine maintain balanced temperatures during demanding driving or stop-and-go traffic. The high nickel alloy side electrode preserves the precision of the gap, which minimizes gap erosion and ensures reliable ignition throughout the service life of the plug. With a thread size of 14mm by 1.25 and a hex size of 5/8 inch, these spark plugs match original equipment specifications for many vehicles. They are designed for straightforward installation and provide a secure fit for a wide range of car engines. Drivers appreciate the noticeable improvements in engine smoothness, stronger performance, and excellent value for the price. Many reviewers highlight the fast shipping, perfect fitment, and the fact that their vehicles run like new after installation. These Autolite plugs deliver solid performance, long lifespan, and trusted reliability. Number 1. The NGK LKR7 BIX 11S Iridium 9. Spark Plug Pack delivers a high-performance ignition solution for drivers who expect sharper throttle response, reliable combustion, and long-lasting durability. Engineered for performance-focused vehicles, each plug features a fine 0.6mm laser-welded iridium tip that produces a consistently stable spark while resisting wear under demanding conditions. This design enhances ignitability, allowing the engine to start easily, accelerate smoothly, and maintain efficient combustion even at higher temperatures. The tapered ground electrode reduces electrical quenching, ensuring the spark is strong and precise. NGK incorporates a longer insulator nose to prevent fouling and corrugated ribs along the insulator body to reduce the likelihood of flashover. A triple gasket seal is built into each plug, effectively preventing combustion gas leakage and supporting long-term reliability. With a thread size of 12mm by 1.25mm and a durable metal top material, these spark plugs fit securely in a wide variety of car and truck engines. The iridium alloy used in the construction has an exceptionally high melting point, allowing the spark plugs to withstand intense heat and electrical stress found in modern high-performance engines. Trivalent metal plating offers strong resistance against corrosion and seizing, making installation and removal easier over the lifespan of the plug. Users report significant improvements in engine smoothness, noticeable power gains, and outstanding value. Many drivers praise the perfect fit and express satisfaction with how their vehicles run like new after installation. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide to the best spark plug in 2025 has helped you choose the right option for stronger ignition, smoother performance, and long-term engine reliability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with other drivers. All product links are in the description, so feel free to explore your perfect match. Stay tuned for more trusted automotive reviews and performance tips.